We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts, with a quick knife review today. We'll be talking about the Roik P875 SZ. Go ahead and show it to you up close there. Get our box out of the way. This is a nice gentleman's carry. It is a frame lock. Has the beta lock, which is Roik's locking mechanism. I'll tell you a little bit about the specs of this item. It's 8.19 inch overall, 3.5 inch on the blade. Rockwell scale about 58 to somewhere in 58 to 60 range. 14 C28N stainless steel. The handle is stainless steel also, 420. It has a honeysuckle pattern that has been etched into the handle, as well as a carbon fiber section up here at the bolster near the pivot. Has a black back spacer, as you can see here. Stainless steel pocket clip. Does have that little indentation there, so it sits in your pocket nicely in that area. It is a manual flipper on ball bearing, ceramic. Very nice little frame lock. You can handle it one-handed. The handle is 4.69 inch overall. Width is about 0.58. And of course he mentioned the beta lock there, so where the frame lock can't close. It's a nice little feature, especially on a frame lock. I don't like it so much on a liner lock, but I do like it on frame locks. We'll grab some paracord here real quick. Give you a little cutting demonstration. You can see it's very sharp. Very little fraying, if any. Roik makes a nice line of pocket knives. This is a, well, I guess you would consider it a, I guess a gentleman's carry would be the term that I would use. As you can see, it is a smooth, easy cutting. Really, with all Roik knives, you will find that they are extremely sharp. It'll do a piercing cut nicely. You have good control of the blade as you are cutting. So this is the Roik P875 SZ frame lock. Wish they had names that came with these. Has the beta lock. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do several of these 5-minute reviews, even though they all don't last 5 minutes. Some could be a little longer or a little shorter. We try to do about maybe 25-30 a month of the newest knives, so you can get a good glimpse at them before you pull the trigger on your buying decisions. Once again, Roik P875 SZ. I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.